Good day, viewers. Welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We have f of x squared plus 1 equals x power of 4 plus 3x squared plus 5. And here is a quartic functions where we have the domain as x squared plus 1. But the question here is, can we find the integral of f of x dx? So this is what we are asked to find. You don't need to substitute, and we are going to be presenting this in two different ways. I will use two methods to solve this. So if this is in questions, let's see solution for the first method. For method 1, the function is f of x squared plus 1 equals x power of 4 plus 3x squared plus 5. So it's a quartic, and we are going to factorize this. So we make sure that every single thing we have here, we want to make sure it's having the terms of x squared plus 1 so that we can do the substitutions. Here, the first thing we are going to do is at this right hand side is we are going to express this as x power of 4 plus 3x squared plus, if I break it into 2 plus 3. So we know 2 plus 3, it gives us 5. Then let's deal with x power 4 plus 3x squared plus 2 only and leave plus 3 aside. If we look at this 3, we consider this as a sum, and this 2 is the product of this root. So we are going to group this like this, and we leave 3 outside. Here we have, let's say we want to factorize this. We need to write x power of 4 plus, when we say 2 plus 1, that is 3. And 2 times 1, that is 2. The sum is 3 and the product is 2. So by writing this as x raised to power of 2 plus 2x raised to power 2 plus 2, then we have plus 3. So here we have x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 2. When we take out x raised to power of 2, here remains x raised to power 2 plus 1. And also plus, when we take out 2 here, we have 2 brackets x raised to power 2 plus 1. Then we have plus 3 outside. So by combining x raised to power 2 and 2, and also we take 1 of x raised to power 2 plus 1, here becomes x raised to power 2 plus 1, then multiply by x raised to power 2 plus 2, and here is plus 3. So the result of all this is equals f of x squared plus 1 equals x squared plus 1 bracket x squared plus 2, then plus 3. Then let's replace everywhere we see x squared plus 1 with x. So here we have f of x equals, this is x squared plus 1. We change it to x, open bracket, but this is x squared plus 2. Initially, we are looking for x squared. We are replacing every single x squared plus 1. So which means this one becomes x plus 1 because it was x plus 2. Then plus 3. So if we open this out, we have x squared plus x plus 3. So this is for f of x. And when we take the integral of both sides, so we are going to integrate with respect to x. So here we have integral of this, and we put this in brackets, and here is the x. And by the rules of integration, so this is also having the x. So here will be increasing by 1 and divided by the power, as we have this as x power 3 over 3 plus, also this is x power 2 over 2 then plus 3x. After we have integrated this, then let's add the constant values. So here is the constant of integration. So this is how we solve this in the first method. So just simple as it is. And let's see how we can solve this in another dimension. So call it method 2. If you are just coming to our channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. So in this second method, so before I start applying that method, so I want to understand that if this is f of x squared plus 1 equals, we have x power of 4, which we can write this as x power 2, then all raised to power of 2. So this is the basic rule of exponents, plus 3x squared plus 5. So after we have known this, then let's say I let this domain x squared plus 1 to be equals t. So if I let this one equals to t, then I want to make x squared the subject of the formula here. Why? Because I've expressed everything here in terms of x squared. So which means after we have made this the x squared the subject, then we just try and resubstitute back into this. So here we have x squared equals t minus 1. So x squared is t minus 1. Then let's come back to the function where we have f of, instead of x squared plus 1, and we have the x squared already, which is t minus 1. So therefore we change this to t minus 1 then plus 1 equals, so x squared as well, it has changed to t minus 1 then raised to power of 2 plus 3 into bracket of t minus 1, and here is plus 5. We have minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. We have f of t equals t minus 1 squared. It means we are multiplying this in 2 times. And we multiply this in 2 times, we are going to have t squared minus 2t plus 1. And also we have plus 3 times t, that is 3t, minus 3 times 1, that is 3. Then here is plus 5. So here we have t squared minus 2t plus 3t. That gives us plus t. Then 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 5, we have it as plus 3. And what is only left for us is, so since this is f of t, let's change t to x. We have f of x equals x squared plus x plus 3. And since we need to get the integral of this, so therefore we take integral of f of x, the x equals integral of x squared plus x plus 3. So then this is in the x. When we integrate this, we have it as x cubed over 3 as we have above, plus x squared over 2 plus 3x and plus c. So this is how I solve this problem step by step. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.